We're back here at Anywhere Audio and More, where we installed a factory remote car starter in a 2016 Mercedes gl450. And this is set up to work on the factory keychain so that you can hit the factory key button. Just tapping the panic button will activate the remote start. And we also set up our remotes aftermarket, so you have the long range option. The remote control, you just simply hold down for 5 seconds. It confirms with a beep that it received the signal to the car, and then the car will start. Now that the vehicle's remote started, it will actually give confirmation again with multiple tones and the flashing LEDs and the remote control to show that it is running, and the vehicle will run for 15 minutes. It does remain locked, as you can see here, and as soon as you have the keys in your possession and you come up to the door handle, it unlocks. Now you can get inside the vehicle, push the button in the dash one time. Now you're able to shift the vehicle into drive or reverse, and of course, enjoy your day. This is a factory design system and is designed to plug and play with a few custom modifications. And we do these installations often, so if you have any questions, give us a contact at our website, which is www.aaexperts.com.